Best Espresso Machine for home. Visit link in description for more details. Number 1. Gustino Semi-Automatic Espresso Coffee Maker. Stainless steel body and multifunctional coffee maker. Professional warm cup compartment. 19-bar high-pressure technology to keep constant pressure and water temperature that is served at best coffee temperature. Cappuccino system and continuous steam. Electric pressure system for convenient use. 1.6 liter separated water tank. Removable drip tray and water tray. Ultra-fine filter funnel which restore the real brown. Powder bowl holders. Fine stainless steel burner make a professional fancy coffee. Number 2. Benfo Semi-Automatic Espresso Coffee Maker. Various type of cappuccino, scald proof and easy to clean. Professional heating cup area and detachable water containing plate. Specialized water storage boiler create 20-bar high pressure. Instant heating boiler. Strong and aromatic espresso semi-automatic coffee machine. Automatic temperature control protection system. Overheating protection system without running dry. Automatic pressure. Number 3. Bar Semi-Automatic Espresso Coffee Machine. Stainless steel body and multifunctional coffee maker. 20-bar pressure extraction, strong coffee, and slippery. Temperature indicator, at a glance. Steam regulating milk bubbles. Single double cup filter to meet different needs. Detachable water storage plate, easy to clean. Detachable water tank, convenient for cleaning. Strong and Number 4. Steam type semi-automatic espresso coffee machine. Stainless steel body and very functional coffee maker. Main feature is steam type. Aluminum alloy boiler provide you the perfect temperature. 5-bar pressure and rotary high pressure steam pipe. Very precise power switch and indicator. Stainless steel foam tube. Have cup warming area and powder hopper handle. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.